Okay, example 2. We're still doing algebraic proofs here. Okay, I want to prove this. Okay, that's what I'm trying to prove. This is what I'm given. So I'm going to still do this by means of a 2-column proof. So I'm going to start, again, I'm going to make my statements over here on the left. And on the right, we're going to say that these are still my reasons. Just like before, I'm going to start with my given. So C equals 5/9, and then F minus 32. We are actually trying to convert between Fahrenheit and Celsius using different formulas. Okay, but both formulas are actually saying the same thing. So what I'm trying to do then, essentially, is get F by itself. Okay, you can see that from what I'm trying to prove here. I'm trying to get F by itself in here. Okay, and there's a couple ways that you can do it, depending on how you would like to do it. Personally, I would get rid of 5/9 first. Okay, if you distribute it in, it's going to add quite a few more steps. It's still fine, still works, but I'd like to do it in the least amount of steps possible. So I'm going to say, let's multiply by 9/5, or we can say that we are dividing by 5/9. Okay, which means that you could have a couple different reasons. I'm going to say that I'm multiplying by 9/5. So 9/5 C then, I have to do it to both sides, equals just F minus 32. And for my reason over here, step 2, I'm saying I'm multiplying. There's my reason for that. And then really I only have one more step onto this one. Okay, my step 3, to get to get F by itself, I would have to add 32 to both sides. Okay, so I would have then 9/5 C plus 32 equals F. Step 3, I added to both sides. And really, some people could be quite picky about this, but if I look back up there at the top, I technically have F equals on the left. And in step 3, I have F equals on the right. Well, we have a property way back at the beginning. If you go back in there to that giant chart in this section, in order for us to change it and make it F equals 9/5 C plus 32, we would have to say that we are using the symmetric property. And that allows us to change and make it F equals on the other side.